Hello, welcome viewer. First of all, thanks for watching my channel. This is not calls providing channel. I have many doubts on the shares which I chose to trade. So I needed a sort of group discussion or suggestion to know what I think or pick stock to trade is right or wrong. So I need comments, suggestions, and support from your side. Thank you. AIA Engineering Limited manufactures and markets a range of high-chromium consumable wear parts mill internals. The company employs alloy casting process for manufacture of the products, which entails designing and choosing the high-chrome alloy composition in relation to the end application. The company produces a range of high-chrome mill internals, which are used as wear parts in the process of crushing, grinding in the cement, mining, utility, thermal power and aggregate industries. The company's services include mill audits, turnkey installation and commissioning projects, stock assessment and management, and performance monitoring. The company manufactures and supplies grinding media, shell liners and diaphragms, partition wall, discharge diaphragms, drying chamber diaphragms and Doppel rotator diaphragms for tube mill applications. In addition to grinding media, it also provides shell liners for ball mills. The company has its operations in approximately 120 countries. AIA financial summary for the 3 months ended 30 June 2021. AIA Engineering Limited revenues increased 27% to rupees 7.4 billion. Net income increased 16% to rupees 1.49 billion. Revenues reflect revenue from sale of products increase of 30% to rupees 7.3 billion. Net income was partially offset by other expenses increase of 28% to rupees 2.51 billion, expense other income decrease of 47% to rupees 395.2 million, income employee benefits expense increase of 2% to rupees 338.5 million, expense. Trend oscillators MACD 12, 26, ADX 14, Bull Bear Power 13, indicates buy. Moving averages stock is trading below simple moving average 5 and exponential moving average 5. But still it's above moving average 10, 20, 50, 100, 200. Momentum oscillators stochastic RSI 14 and ultimate oscillator indicates sell. But RSI 14, stochastic 9, 6 millionths percent R, CCI 14, and ROC indicates buy. Volatility ATR 14 shows less volatility, high and lows 14 shows that the stock is neutral. AIA technical analysis from 1 month chart, moving average indicates strong buy. Momentum indicates buy. Trend oscillator says strong buy, but volatility indicates neutral, and the total summary says neutral. According to my calculations, I think I should wait and take decisions till the stock takes support at 1896. This is my view. I respect your comments and suggestions on this stock. Can you please give suggestions? Thank you for spending your valuable time watching my video. APL Apollo Tubes Limited is a steel tube manufacturer. The company is engaged in the business of production of electric resistance welded ERW steel tubes. The company manufactures black pipe, galvanized pipe, pre-galvanized pipe and coils. Its products include MS black round tubes, galvanized iron tubes, pre-galvanized tubes, hollow sections, UPI tubes and dynamically balanced tubes. Its special products include hollow section pipe, window section, flat oval capsule section, handrail, D section, elliptical tube and narrow section. Its products applications include liquid transmission, idlers, mechanical and general engineering, water wells, fencing, underground piping, refineries, scaffolding, cabling and ducting, automotive, bus body, greenhouse structures, construction, automotive, storage system and transmission tower. It has over 6 manufacturing facilities that are located in Secunderabad, Uttar Pradesh, Bangalore, Karnataka, Hosur, Tamil Nadu and Murbad, Maharashtra. APLA financial summary for the 3 months ended the 30th of June 2021. APL Apollo Tubes Limited revenues increased from rupees 11.1 billion to rupees 25.34 billion. Net income increased from rupees 167.8 million to rupees 1.47 billion. Revenues reflect revenue from operations increase from rupees 10.79 billion to rupees 24.43 billion. Other operating income increase from rupees 305.8 million to rupees 909.6 million. Net income benefited from finance costs decrease of 40% to rupees 128 million. Expense other income increase from rupees 48.7 million to rupees 102.3 million. Income trend oscillators MACD 12, 26 and Bull Bear Power 13 indicates to buy. Momentum oscillators stochastic RSI 14 and ROC says buy. But stochastic 9, 6 Williams% R ultimate oscillator says sell. Volatility ATR 14 says high volatility. Highs lows 14 says dot buy. Moving average 5, 10, 20, 50,000, 100, 200 indicates buy. AIA technical analysis from 1 month chart, moving average indicates strong buy. Momentum indicates buy. Trend oscillator says strong buy, but volatility indicates neutral, and the total summary says neutral. According to my calculations, I think I should wait and take decisions till the stock takes support at the resistance level 925 or wait till next month chart levels. This is my view. I respect your comments and suggestions on this stock. Can you please give suggestions? Thank you for spending your valuable time watching my video. AU Small Finance Bank Limited provides various banking and financial services in India. It operates through treasury, retail banking, wholesale banking, and other banking operation segments. The company offers savings and current accounts, escrow accounts, fixed and recurring deposits, and COVID Shield deposit, debit and credit cards, locker services, and investment products. It also provides car, commercial vehicle, tractor, two-wheeler, home, construction and equipment, business term, personal, gold, secured business, and real estate project loans, agri-business credit and infrastructure loans, as well as lending to non-banking financial companies, and lease rental discounting loans, as well as cash credit and overdraft facilities. In addition, the company offers bank guarantee, letters of credit, discounting of letter of credit, clean bill discounting, import and export bill collections, and inward and outward remittance services. Digital banking services, such as internet and mobile banking, collection and receivables, and payment and other merchant payment services, and government banking services to central government, states governments, central and state public sector undertakings, boards, defense, urban local bodies, and other government departments. Further, the company provides point-of-sale machines, mutual funds, and home, travel, personal accident, two-wheeler, motor, fire, life, and health insurance products. As of March 31, 2021, it operated 552 bank branches, 177 correspondent banking outlets, 15 business correspondents, and 343 ATMs. The company was formerly known as O Financiers India Limited and changed its name to O Small Finance Bank Limited in May 2017.
We have been striving for
Small
today
Finance Bank Limited was
since many
incorporated
yesterdays.
in 1996 and is headquartered in Jaipur, India. AUFI Financial Summary for the 3 months ended the 30th of June 2021. AU Small Finance Bank Limited interest income increased 14% to rupees 13.53 billion. Net interest income after loan loss provision increased 0.68% to rupees 7.98 billion. Net income increased 1% to rupees 2.03 billion. Net interest income after loan loss provision reflects net interest margin total percent increase of 0.20% to 6%, interest discount on advances, bills increase of 0.19%. Rupees 11.35 billion, others increase from rupees 104.1 million to rupees 309.3 million. Momentum oscillators RSI 14, Williams% R, CCI 14, ROC indicates buy. Stochastic 9, 6 indicates neutral but stochastic RSI 14, ultimate oscillator indicates sell. Moving average 10, 20, 50 million 100,000 200 shows buy, whereas moving average 5 shows sell. Volatility ATR 14 indicates. Less volatility, high lows 14 indicates. Buy. Trend oscillators MACD 1226 says to dot buy, ADX 14 says to dot buy, bull bear power 13 says to buy. Technical summary is on monthly chart shows strong buy. According to my calculations, as the stock is trading near the support level, I am expecting a support level as in day chart the candle is not breaking moving average 200. This is my view. I respect your comments and suggestions on this stock. Can you please give suggestions? Thank you for spending your valuable time watching my video.